Demographic Suicide in the West and Half of the World. This is this wonderful book which I had the pleasure to read. It is full of facts, graphs, and tells us an alarming story about the declining birth rates and their consequences for the stability of civil society. The usual relationship between old and young is being distorted. Old age pension systems have difficulties being financed. The entire state is in difficulty because young people, after all, pay the taxes to finance the public goods which the old people also consume. This is a problem for the whole of Europe, nearly the whole of Europe. France may be a little exception, but for Spain, for Italy, for Germany, for the Eastern European countries, everywhere there is not enough offspring. The population fertility rates are in the neighborhood of 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and 2.8 would be necessary to preserve the population. One woman would have to have, on average, 2.08 children in order to keep the population constant, and Europe is very far away from it. The population in general, the society in general, has not understood the terrors which this will bring. In particular, when you see the distortions in the world, other regions of the world are growing rapidly in terms of population. Europe is shrinking, and this will create a disequilibrium which will have disturbing implications. The model of society, the role of women in society, the combination of workforce and maternity, these are things which have to be reinvented. We are in a transition phase where the new model, which keeps the society sustainable, has not yet been developed. And here we learn about the possibilities that Europe has in terms of improving its policies. It's a wonderful book which I can recommend to everyone. It's worth reading, it is thrilling, it is disturbing, it gives you sleepless nights, and you can read it in one rush. I strongly recommend this book.